Okay, show me what you're doing. Lily asked for this bowl by herself. I did not give it to her. She said she needs a bowl to cut the stuff and put it into. And so she keeps pulling stuff out of the pile, cutting it and putting it in the bowl all by yourself. Are you helping Mommy cook?
Can I see?
After, yes, Lily, but we're not finished yet. Are you having fun cooking? I like when you cook with Mommy.
Cooking for Daddy.
We're cooking for Daddy? Oh, okay.
And for me and for Daddy and for Mommy and for Papa. And cooking hot dogs for Tessie. Cooking hot dogs for Tessie.
Oh, okay.
Tessie's doing hot dogs. So
What does she eat?
Bottle.
That's right.
What's that noise?
You're so cute, Ruby. I love you.